Guys, it's Paul Fruitful here, and today I have an exciting announcement. So, for the past 2 days, I've been working on an interesting project. But before I get to the project, let me give you a little backstory. So, recently in the AI industry, there's a trend of AI agents. Now, what's an AI agent? To explain that, I would like you to imagine this. Imagine ChatGPT having hands and legs to be able to do things, go places, and achieve tasks with his own hands. Now, normally when you go to ChatGPT, you give it an input, you give it a question, a prompt, and it returns a response. But agents are on another level. Agents do things on your behalf. It's just like having a smart servant, a super smart servant. So, my latest project was an AI agent that helps me refactor my codes and make them cleaner and optimize them to be better and remove all the errors in them. So normally I do have a window codings where 1 hour of coding, 15 minutes of break. So I was thinking, how do I make these agents optimize my workflow, and I came up with the refactoring agent idea, and I started working on it. So what this agent basically does is that when I'm done coding, it watches all the files I created, all the files that I modified, all the code files. It just monitors the whole code base, and it refactors it when I'm done working, when I'm on a break, maybe a walk, when I go to take a walk, or a coffee break, or anything. Just when I'm resting, it gets to work. So it's just like having someone review your codes and correct it at the same time. Pretty exciting. So I'm going to show you a demo right now. Okay, so let me demo how this agent works. So you just open your VS Code and the code base, the project you're currently working on. In its directory, you type in, you initiate the agent's watch. So refactor CLI watch. That way the agent is initiated to start watching over that code base for any changes, any additional file, any new creation, any modification of existing files in the code base. So I already have matrices.py, and let me try to implement, let's say, a matrix in Python, and I'm going to make some blunders purposefully so that you can see the power of this agent. Okay, 1 underscore, that's not blunder. Then I will self dot rows columns, then we have something like, okay, self dot matrix. It's gonna be equal to rows 0 times. Yeah, so I'll make more mistakes. Okay, let me just leave it like this. Then I can still go and create another file. Now right here, if you look at the terminal, you see that it's logging the files that are having action on. The files that I'm modifying, that's the matrices.py, is monitoring the changes. So I can add another file, let's say v. So now let's get the agent to start refactoring the code bases. So I touched 2 files, that's the matrices and the car.js. So now let the agent get to work and start refactoring this code while I sip my coffee. Ctrl C, and it begins. And it's finished. So let's check back at our console. I will see. You see, it corrects that in the car.js, the error I made there, and it also does the same thing for the matrices. In fact, it improves the logic for instantiating matrices. So this is just a brief demo of how this agent works, and it has a variety of use cases. Let's say you make mistakes in your code, it corrects it. It's like a body helper, always helping you, especially when you're resting. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to set it up on your laptop locally. I'm going to show you how to set it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.